Hi, I'm Jeff with McGard, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove your old, rusted lug nuts and replace them with a premium quality McGard SplineDrive Lug Nut. Remove one of the old lug nuts from your wheel. If the wheel stud appears to be rusty, clean it with a wire brush prior to installing the fasteners. Do not lubricate the threads. Begin by threading the McGard lug nut onto the wheel by hand using the SplineDrive installation tool supplied with your kit. For best results, use a torque wrench and socket for final tightening. It is not recommended to use an impact gun. Use of an impact gun can result in uneven or over-tightening of fasteners, which can damage wheels or distort brake rotors. Tighten each fastener to the recommended installation torque found in your vehicle owner's manual. If you are installing an aftermarket wheel, use the torque recommended by the wheel manufacturer. Repeat these steps in a progressive crisscross pattern for each fastener on the wheel. Minimum thread engagement between the lug nut and the wheel stud must be equal to the thread diameter of the wheel stud. If you have a question regarding this, please call McGard Technical Support at 1-800-444-5847, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Lug nuts are critical fasteners, and as such they should be retorqued after the first 25 miles of driving.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.